Hey, this is Bob. Day 5. We've pretty much ran out of meat. We're drinking our own urine. I don't know if we're out of ammo or what. We probably don't need to drink our own urine because of all the snow. But we saw it on a show once. We found a bear carcass and we used the bones and the skin to make a shelter. But today we've decided to make a run for it. So I'm going to show you where we're at. We keep having these hallucinations that we're on a ski slope and there's people around us. But as you can see from Carter, we're in pretty tough shape. So
we're beat up.
We're beat up. I mean, we're just lucky to have made it this far. And we're just going to press on. It's a part of our survival nature. Anything you want to add, Cart? Do you want any more urine?
Talk about how we could salvage stuff from our plane.
Oh yeah, we took the seats from our plane and made ski pants, which was pretty clever of Carter to design. And I actually made a snowboard out of one of the propellers. I hear a rescue plane. You hear that? We're here! We're here! It's just, this happens every day, man. It's a false alarm. We don't have any more of the pilot left, do we? We were eating the pilot. I think not. A lot of protein. Cart, what are you doing here? Sometimes he gets a little snowblind and a little unfocused and he starts to take his clothes off and stuff. Are you with us, bro? David? Yeah, he's gone. I'm gonna get him going again, and we'll keep it rolling. Okay.